Hello and welcome to English for Beginner and Elementary, lesson number 20. This is the last lesson for these two levels, okay? And today we'll try to answer the question, what will you do on holiday? On holiday, or you can say next holiday, that means future, okay? The coming holiday. Okay, so the aim of the lesson is to learn sentences to talk about next holiday. Okay, so let's get started. You could say, on holiday, alright. Again, don't forget to raise your voice here, comma, right? On holiday, I'll go to Nepal. So you can say Nepal, you can say Nepal. Okay, both are correct. On holiday, I'll go to Nepal. Or you can say, next holiday, I'll go to Nepal. Okay, go to. Again, this will be connected as well. Go to. Let me do it again. On holiday, I'll go to Nepal. Or next holiday, I'll go to Nepal. You know, it's a small country in the north. A lot of beautiful mountains there. Yeah. You also have Mount Everest there. Okay. Then you can say, I'll go there because I love hiking in the mountains. What is hiking? Hiking is like walking, yeah? Like walking in the mountains. You go up, down, up, and then cover all the mountains. This is called hiking. So you don't walk very fast. It's like slow over a period of time. So maybe like 7 days, yeah, 15 days, 4 days, 5 days. Okay. So let me read again. I'll go there. So this is there. Okay, not there. There. So together, I'll go there because. Okay. So not strong. No, because. I'll go there because I love hiking in the mountains. In the mountains, you read them together. Okay. So I've been always telling you about reading like words together. So when you read, it just makes sense to you. Now sometimes you want to read 2 words together or 3 words together, depending on you. You should try to say 2 or 3 words together. Okay, and that makes your language more natural and better. Okay, all right, then you can say, I'll go there with my family. Down. We'll spend 2 weeks there. Spend, like how much time you will be there. So you say 2 weeks, 1 month, 15 days, yeah, 5 days. We'll spend 2 weeks there. Okay. After this, you can say, we'll hire a tour guide. So guide, so maybe, you know, it's difficult to know where to go in the mountains. You need someone who knows the way. So you'll hire a tour guide. Hire means you pay money and one person would come with you. Okay? This person will help you reach the mountain or wherever you want to go. Okay? And this person will also help you get a room, yeah, food, and if you face any problem, this person can help you as well. Okay, then you can say, we'll go hiking. Okay, we'll go hiking. Again, as I said before, yeah, I love hiking, so we'll go hiking. Yeah, so walk, you'll walk here and say, we'll take amazing photos. Okay, because of to, okay, toes. We'll take amazing photos. In the end, we can make one sentence here. Okay, I'll tell you how. We'll connect sentences. Okay, these sentences maybe. Let's see. I'll tell you. Then you can say, We'll also try traditional Nepalese food. We'll also try traditional Nepalese foods. Traditional is what people of Nepal eat every day. So this is like traditional, and it's traditional because they have been eating this food for many years. Yeah? Everybody in Nepal eats this food, so we will also try traditional Nepalese food. So we'll eat that. Okay, and then you can say we'll talk to the local people. Yeah, so when you visit these small houses, you would speak with the local people, the people local people of Nepal, people who live in these houses. So they are, of course, Nepalese, right? Okay. We'll tell them about our culture. So you talk to them and then tell them about your culture. Ask them what they do, about their life, and tell them about what you do, your life, your food, dance, music, right? So it's kind of exchanging information. Okay, you tell them, they tell you. Okay, or they can say, we'll have a lot of fun. I still remember this is not off, this will be of when you speak, right? Because off is you turn off your light, okay, or TV or computer. So that's why this is of. We'll have a lot of fun. Okay, let's see what we have got now. The question is, what will you do on holiday? On holiday, Goa, I'll go to Nepal because, yeah, so here is up, right? Because not finished. I'll go to Nepal because I love hiking in the mountains. So what do we do here? We connected two sentences. Yeah. So on holiday I'll go to Nepal. Then you say because I love hiking in the mountains. Okay. If you do that, you can speak better and you improve your English. All right. I'll just tell you to connect sentences to speak better English. Okay. Then you can say, I'll go there with my family for 2 weeks. Okay, get down. We'll hire a tour guide, go hiking, and take amazing photos. So this is okay. You remember I told you we will connect the sentences. So hire a tour guide, go hiking, and take amazing photos. So what did we do here? Yeah, we connected. Yeah, we'll hire a tour guide, go hiking, and take amazing photos. So we just deleted will. There's no need. Okay, and before this sentence we added and. Yeah, like here. Okay, all right. We'll also try traditional Nepalese food. So again, traditional, yeah, what people in this place eat. We'll talk to the local people and tell them about our culture. Okay, so it's the same thing. We combined two sentences. We'll talk to the local people and we'll tell them about our culture. So we just added and again here. So and is very important. Now at this level, of course, later we will learn more difficult words, right? Or different words as well. Then you can say, we'll have a lot of fun. Okay, a lot of fun. And then you can say, what about you? Yeah, same question. And then your friend or the other person can answer as well. So let me read again, okay, without stopping. Question: what will you do on holiday? On holiday, I'll go to Nepal because I love hiking in the mountains. I'll go there with my family for 2 weeks. We'll hire a tour guide, go hiking, and take amazing photos. We'll also try traditional Nepalese food. We'll talk to the local people and tell them about our culture. We'll have a lot of fun. What about you? Okay. I didn't tell you, but I hope you still remember here. So mountains, this will be z, okay? So this is mountains, and because there's a comma, you have to go up. Your voice is up here, again up here. So don't forget these things, okay? This is the last lesson, and I expect you to remember. We'll also try traditional Nepalese food. That's fine, and we'll talk to the local people. And again, so it's and so here also your voice is going up. All right. So keep practicing, and next lesson would be a review lesson, and then we will have a video that would have all the 20 lessons. Okay. So keep practicing. I'll be back. Take care. Bye bye.